We are going to make chocolate letters, and it's so simple. This is one of the simplest things to do with our ice trays. Take one of the initials. If your name's Anna, or your child's Amelia, or your husband's Andy, this is a great little treat. So just break up your chocolate. It goes in the microwave, bursts of 30 seconds or so. You do need about a whole block of chocolate to make the 4 letters, and into the microwave. So my chocolate's melted, and now literally just spoon it into the tray. Take your time. Can be a little bit messy. It would be easy to melt this chocolate in a jug and then literally just pour it in. Well, it's about halfway, and that's a block of chocolate. Of course, you can fill to the top. The set chocolate A's out of the fridge, and we're going to unmould them. So just pull the silicone away from the chocolate and unmould. As little party favours, they look fabulous on top of cakes, on top of ice cream, easy desserts, and something really special.